It's Betty with Betty's Finds, showing you Scott's Bonus S fertilizer for lawns. It's for southern lawns. It's weed and feed so that it kills some of the unwanted plants that we have here in South Florida. One of these is dollarweed. It grows rampant if you can't get it under control. I found one with roots to show you how it grows. The roots spread out horizontally, and every few inches they put down roots. So this can just take over your lawn in no time. But I had a very hard time finding this one strand today because this fertilizer is working so good. We used to have it all over the lawn. It also kills clover, and I guess it's doing a good job on that too because we don't have any. We have St. Augustine grass, which is pictured right here, and it just really works good. So I will pour some out into a spreader. It's pink granules, see? And then you just walk around the yard and turn the handle on the spreader and it broadcasts it out over the yard. That's what we use this handheld spreader because our lawn is so small. You can get bigger ones with wheels and everything if you have a bigger yard. But this fertilizer really does a good job. Scott's Bonus S.